In this tutorial, we will be discussing about the mapping of standard sum of product and standard product of some expressions on a three-variable K-map. Map the SOP expression on a K-map A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B C bar plus A B C. The given SOP expression is A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B C bar plus A B C. In this expression, there are three binary variables A, B and C, and there are 8 possible combinations of these binary variables. The minterms of the given function are A bar B bar C, A bar B C bar, A B C bar, and finally A B C. For a standard sum of product expression, to get the binary values, substitute the true variables in the minterms with 1 and complemented variables in the minterms with 0. So here in the given expression, first minterm is A bar B bar C. As A is present in complemented form, in the binary value that becomes 0. B is also present in complemented form. The binary value that becomes again 0. And C is in true form. So in the binary value, C will be present as 1. So binary value of minterm A bar B bar C is 0, 0, 1. For the minterm A bar B C bar, as variable A is present in complemented form, put 0. In the minterm as variable B is present in true form, put 1. As variable C is present in complemented form, put 0. So for the minterm A bar B C bar, binary value is 0, 1, 0. For the minterm A B C bar, as variable A is present in true form, in the binary value put 1. Variable B is present in true form, so in the binary value put 1. Variable C is present in complemented form, so next logic value is 0. So for the minterm A B C bar, binary value is 1, 1, 0. For the last minterm A B C, as all variables are in true form, binary value is equal to 1, 1, 1. So first minterm is A bar B bar C. Corresponding binary value is 0, 0, 1. So A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. Locate the corresponding cell in the K-map whose binary value is 0, 0, 1. That cell is filled with logic 1. Next minterm is A bar B C bar. Binary value is 0, 1, 0. So in the K-map, locate the cell whose address is 0, 1, 0. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 0. That cell is also filled with logic 1 as we are mapping minterms. Next minterm is A B C bar whose binary value is 1, 1, 0. In the K-map, locate that cell whose binary value is 1, 1, 0. As we want to map minterms, fill that cell with logic 1. Last minterm of the given expression is A B C. Binary value of the given expression is 1, 1, 1. Locate cell with binary value 1, 1, 1 in the K-map. The cell is filled with logic 1. Remaining cells are filled with logic 0. So here we have mapped the standard sum of product expression on a 3-variable K-map. Second problem, map the POS expression on a K-map A bar plus B plus C into A plus B bar plus C into A plus B bar plus C bar. The given POS expression is A bar plus B plus C into A plus B bar plus C into A plus B bar plus C bar. Here there are 3 binary variables A, B and C, and there are 8 possible combinations for these binary variables. The max terms of the given function are A bar plus B plus C, A plus B bar plus C, and A plus B bar plus C bar. In the case of standard product of some expressions, to find binary value from the max term, if a variable is present in the max term in true form, replace that with 0, and if a variable is present in max term in complemented form, replace that with 1. For the max term A bar plus B plus C, as variable A is present in complemented form, in the binary value put 1. Variable B is present in true form, so put 0. Variable C is also present in true form, so binary value of the max term A bar plus B plus C is 100. For the max term A plus B bar plus C, variable A is in true form, variable B is in complemented form, and variable C is also in true form. So binary value of the max term A plus B bar plus C is 010. For the max term A plus B bar plus C bar, variable A is in true form, variable B and C are in complemented form. So binary value of the max term A plus B bar plus C bar is 011. Now let us map the max term A bar plus B plus C. Binary value of this max term is 100. So on the 3-variable K-map, locate the cell whose binary value is 100. That cell is filled with logic 0 as we are mapping max terms of the given standard POS expression. Second max term is A plus B bar plus C. Binary value of the second max term is 010. Locate the cell whose binary value is 010. That cell is filled with logic 0. Third max term is A plus B bar plus C bar, whose binary value is 011. Locate the cell whose binary value is 011 on the 3-variable K-map. Fill that cell with logic 0 as we are mapping max terms on the K-map. The remaining cells are filled with logic 1s. So this is the mapping of the given standard POS expression on a 3-variable K-map. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.